If you want premium clients, stop posting and praying. This is the 3-week Premium Client Challenge where we choose one strategy, implement it, and get real results. Let's get to it. If you feel like you've picked your strategy and you've said, I don't know where to start, then this video is for you, because that's where most advisors stall out. They pick something that they're excited for about 24 hours. Then they start second guessing themselves and planning themselves into paralysis. But here's what's really going wrong. They don't know what they're actually offering. They confuse the trip with the offer. So let's fix that right now. Your strategy is how you're going to attract clients, but your offer is what they're going to say yes to. And that offer is always your service, not the trip. If you do group trips, your offer is how you lead, structure, and deliver that experience. If you do custom travel, your offer is the planning service, the curation, the expertise you wrap around a destination. If you're not clear on the service, then all you're doing is marketing for suppliers, and we don't want to do that. So today, we're turning your strategy into a real actionable plan that puts your service front and center. The plan is called your strategy blueprint. It's built in 3 parts. 1, step-by-step execution. 2, common pitfalls to avoid. And 3, the metrics that you need to track for success. I'm Sundey Gardner, founder of Online Travel Boss, and this is day 3 of your 3-week Premium Client Challenge. And if you just found us in this video, you can still follow along by going to onlinetravelboss.com/CEO-challenge. You're going to get full access to the full challenge and tools. Today's goal is simple. You're going to create a plan so clean and so simple that you can't talk yourself out of being action-oriented. Here's what's going wrong for most travel business owners. They pick a strategy, then start piecing together a million random tasks. It turns into scattered, overwhelming lists. Update your bio, maybe try a new funnel, DM someone, post something, think about an email, and none of it adds up to a client. Why? Because you never built a real plan. What you built is a to-do list with no direction, and that's going to end today. We're building your plan in 3 parts: step-by-step execution, common pitfalls to avoid, and success metrics to track. This is how we move like CEOs, not content creators. Now let's start with the execution steps. If your strategy is social selling, you don't just post more, you map out a client path that might look a little like this. Step 1, audit and upgrade your Instagram bio or your Facebook bio. It should scream premium, not I plan travel for everyone. It needs a clear call to action, or referred to as a CTA, and clarity on who you serve. Step 2, create 3 types of content consistently: client outcomes, strategic offers, and conversation starters. Step 3, use polls, stories, and direct messages to engage daily. Not spam, not randomness, strategic engagement that leads to a call or a booking page. That's a blueprint. If your strategy is referral network, step 1 is identify 5 to 10 people who could refer you right now today. That might be past clients, vendors, hairstylists, or yoga instructors that you're affiliated with. Step 2, reach out and offer a simple referral incentive. Money, gift cards, upgrades, make it easy for them to say yes. It needs to be a win. Step 3, create a recurring reminder to follow up weekly with them. Not once, not when you feel like it, weekly, like a business. Let's do one more. Lead magnet plus email marketing. Step 1, choose a lead magnet topic that speaks to your ideal client, right? Not top 5 beaches. Think how to travel Europe without feeling like a tourist, if that's what your ideal client is into. Step 2, write a 3 to 5 email nurture sequence that positions your offer. Step 3, build your opt-in and connect it to your email system. Simple, effective, no text spiral. You need to write down your actual steps. Don't just wing it. If you can't name your plan, you won't follow your plan. Now let's talk about the traps, because every strategy has mistakes that will slow you down or sabotage your results. And if you know them in advance, you can dodge them. Let's start with social selling. Mistake number 1 is posting without a message. You're not just sharing content with no conversion path. Mistake number 2, talking in DMs but never making the offer. You're building fake friendships instead of real business. Mistake number 3, not tracking who you're engaging with. You forget who you talked to yesterday, so you lose the lead. Referral network pitfalls. Mistake number 1, hoping people refer you. This is not a hope strategy. It's a relationship strategy. Mistake number 2, making it about you instead of, can you help me? Flip this. I'd love to reward you for any referrals you send. Make it a win. Mistake number 3, asking once then disappearing. Referrals are built on repetition and a real connection. Here's some lead magnet traps. Mistake number 1, attracting freebie seekers with no buying intent. You don't need leads, you need buyers. Mistake number 2, having a freebie but no email sequence. That's like fishing with no hook. Mistake number 3, not promoting it consistently. You built it, but no one sees it. Every strategy has blind spots. Knowing them is what separates people who hope to get clients from the ones that actually do. Let's talk about metrics. You cannot grow what you don't track. And that is where most people stay broke because they're making decisions based on vibes and how they feel, not data. Here's what you track depending on your strategy. If you're doing social selling, track how many people engaged with your post this week. Track how many turned into DM conversations. Track how many of those turned into discovery calls or paid trips. If you're doing referral network, track how many people you reached out to. Track how many sent referrals. Track how many of those referrals actually booked. If you're doing lead magnet plus email, track how many people opted in. Track your email open rates. Track how many clicked. Track how clicked to your booking. Track how many people clicked to your booking link or consultation page. It doesn't need to be fancy. Open up a Google Sheet and make 3 columns, but track it. Don't create it without tracking it. Because if you're not tracking, you're guessing. And premium clients don't come from guesses. They come from systems. Now, I want you to hear this part clearly. You do not need to have all of the answers. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need a perfect funnel or a 40 email sequence. You need a plan that's simple, executable, and aligned with the strategy you chose. That's it. This blueprint is your roadmap for the next 2.5 weeks. So here's your challenge today. Download the strategy blueprint worksheet, write out your execution step. Pick 2 to 3 metrics you'll track and name 1 mistake you're actively going to avoid. Then post your first action inside of the Travel CEO community. Tell us what you're doing first and why. And if you're watching this on YouTube, drop your action steps in the comments. We want to see who's just watching and who's actually building. And if you're not inside the challenge yet, you're missing the actual work that makes this content count. Go to onlinetravelboss.com CEO-challenge and get inside before the next video drops. New videos go live every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, so make sure you're subscribed because the next video is the one most people skip. It's about execution momentum, and we're going to talk about how to keep showing up even when things feel hard, slow, or awkward. That's where results actually come from. We're building consistency, confidence, and clarity all at once. So let's get to work. You're watching the 3-week premium client challenge where we don't just talk strategy, we implement. Join the challenge at onlinetravelboss.com/CEO-challenge. And if you're ready to build the full system behind your success, Foundations is the next step.